How to see someone's friend list on Snapchat? Let's jump right into the steps. First off, what you need to do is you want to open Snapchat, which can be downloaded through App Store. Then you want to go to the chats, or you can search your friend of whom you want to see the friend list of. Go ahead and open your chat. After that, you want to tap on their name, which is on the top left corner. Here, there will be all the information about that user and also the memories that you have shared with each other. But due to the privacy of Snapchat, you cannot see their friend list. There is a policy in Snapchat that you cannot see the friend list of your friends. When you exit their profile, you can also see that there will be notification of your screen recorded friendship profile. And that is all for this video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.